What's going on, y'all, and welcome back to a new edition of the 16's podcast reaction section. As you can see, we're getting into the finale of Chainsaw Man. This season, bro, the hype around it, everybody talking about Chainsaw Man's gonna be this, Chainsaw Man's gonna be that. You gotta watch it. Listen, to me, it's lived up to the hype. I've enjoyed it from since week one, since the very first episode. There have been a couple of episodes that have been kind of down, but it had been more so to kind of explain characters and all that kind of stuff with the backgrounds and connections and everything. So I'm okay. I'm okay with it. I love character development and all that, and story development, world building, all of that. I mean, obviously, One Piece is my favorite anime of all time. So obviously, that's the case. But it's been good. It's been very good. I've enjoyed basically every episode. I think maybe two I said were kind of down, but I did not enjoy them. Like I said, just based off the first episode of Chainsaw Man, I kind of expect every episode to have crazy action and all that kind of stuff in it. But I know that's not the case, obviously. So that's why I don't really not judging it too hard. Like the episodes that didn't really have stuff going on in them and whatnot. So I can appreciate it for what it was, the story that they're trying to tell. I'm loving it. I'm loving the show. I'm loving the characters. It's just been really good for me. It's been a really great anime. I'm so sad that it's ending. Was hoping that it was going to be something like 20-something episodes, and they split it into Core 1 and Core 2 like they're doing for My Hero and Blue Lock. Unfortunately, that's not the case, but maybe going forward, seeing as how popular the anime is after, it came out and dropped and everything. Seeing how popular it is, hopefully, future seasons will be a bit longer. The 20 episodes, 20 to 24, 25 episodes, where it split in two with the Core 1, Core 2 kind of thing, with My Hero and Blue Lock. So with that, we're missing 2 weeks, and then they coming right back January 7th with the new episodes to finish off the season. So we left off, just quick recap, we left off with them going into the building where the Katana Devil and the chick who stole Ghost and has the Snake Devil. So that's basically where we left it off. We saw Team 4 fighting the zombies in the basement, and you saw Aki basically going upstairs to go up against the chick who stole Ghost and has the Snake Devil. So I'm assuming that we'll probably get that fight with him and her intertwined with Denji and Power probably going up against the Katana Devil, or maybe just Denji and the Katana Devil fighting each other. But we will see, man. I'm hoping this ends on a good note. Not looking forward to I don't want it to end. Clearly, I'm not looking forward to it ending. But hopefully they ended on a good note, and then they come back season 2. Hopefully it doesn't take too long for season 2 to come out. And we will be back, back rocking with Chainsaw Man, So let's go ahead, without further ado, get into this reaction. They trying to kidnap him? Flashbacks? Oh, man, bro. Bruh, I miss her so much. Bullshit.
未成年に吸わせるなんて最低な先輩だな。未成年なの？そうだけど。じゃあ吸っちゃダメに決まってんじゃん。よこせ。じゃあこの一本は私が預かっておこう。君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなったら返してあげる。
The eye patch? Wow! Dog. Go to town, Aki.
姫の先輩が言っていたことだ。
Yo.
姫野先輩、もうすぐ俺も行きます。
Man. KO. You next, bitch.
ヘビ殺すな。
What? Whoa! Where did she come from? Is she playing with a hand that's been cut off? Oh, well, yeah. Yeah, right.
全然違うね。俺たちの仕事はサムライソードを捕まえることだ。捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ。
Oh my God.
こいつら気づいてね。
But why not?
出すなよ。
That ain't gonna work for her.
わしの名はパワー。
You fool!
勝負じゃ。デンジ、わしについてこい。後ろは任せるぞ。
Did he leave her?
どんなもんだ。わしは逃げてない。気高い。美しい。強敵じゃ。デンジ、見てろ。そして言い伝えろ。パワーが一番最強じゃ。
Fucking love her, dog. Yeah, he did leave. He looking for the katana. Though. That's what I thought. Either they was gonna be together or they was gonna split up. Rev them up.
出たな、もみあげマン。
待て待て待て。少し話さないか。
No.
お前の態度次第じゃ、俺たちは投降するつもりだ。
What?
俺たちはただ怒りを収めたいだけなんだ。デンジ、お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。その償いをしてほしい。
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだ。
Facts.
嘘つくんじゃねえ。学歴のねえバカすぐ嘘つきやがる。
He's not lying.
まあいい。それが仮に本当だったとしてだ。ゾンビも元は人間。そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないのか？
No.
全然。
I wouldn't either. They chose that.
あたりにいろいろされてな。心臓が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみたいだが。そんな俺でもな。うっかりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には眠れなくなるぜ。お前に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ。少しでも人の良心が残ってるなら俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか。
Well, I guess I ain't got no conscience because I'm not letting you do shit.
やだ。
じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
やってみろよ、ベー
Bega! Let's get it.
俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのか。
Yeah, bitch, I done leveled up. Whew. Oh shit. Damn. Okay, I see y'all didn't up this shit for the last episode, huh, man? Cause they moving.
前よりは動けるみたいだが、デンジ、お前は何のために戦ってる？
この生活を守るためかな。
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか？
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどな、そこそこ気に入ってるぜ。だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ。
お前は俺には勝てね
ああ、もう勝ったつもりでいんのか？俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
そこだ
Man. God damn. The charge. He did that to keep us safe. Man, jump over it. Too fast to see.
終わりだ。もう戦えないだろう。なあ、デンジ。じいちゃん殺したこと死ぬ前に知る。
Hell no. He did that shit to himself.
まだ戦えるぜ。
Training.
頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね。
バカがじいちゃんに教わらなかったか。引き時ってやつをよ。じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。そうしたら楽に殺してやる。
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。
Did he take blood?
アンガとなバーカ。
Whoa!
獣が狩人の言葉信じるなってな。
Yo, he got him on his legs, dog!
ぶっ殺してやら。
負け犬の声はでけえな。警察がてめえを迎え来るまでここでじーっと待ってなきゃなんだけどよ。俺はいろいろ納得できないんだよね。てめえは姫の先輩を殺した。面のいい美人がてめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだ。お、今から大会を開く。大会？あ、いいとこに来たな。こちら4課早川。時計館前線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見。応援求む。早川の先輩も参加するか？最強の大会によ。お前は何を言ってんだ？
Right.
こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。だから大会を開く。 お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつ。
I'm dead.
聞くお前。
ああ、勝ったら何くれんだ。
やは
そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金や。
ーおい
姫野先輩、天国まで聞こえるか。俺たちからあんたへのレクイエムが。
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。
Oh wow.
彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
Why?
それでなぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しがった？
それが聞き出す前に
自殺？
銃の悪魔との契約で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
Oh shit.
どこに向かって動いた？
いつも見る夢だ。いつも見て、いつも忘れる夢。
デンジ、
落ちた落ちた、出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。
デンジ、絶対に開けちゃダメだ。デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
What the hell? I'm so confused by the ending. Like everything else was good until we got to the end. Man, let's go ahead and get to this breakdown, y'all. All right, y'all. Season has finally come to a close. Solid last episode. Like I said at the very end, like it was really good until we got to like the stuff that was after the what was that? The outro song. Because, you know, obviously it skips through it and whatnot because of the site we use and everything. But how it was Denji talking to Pochita and he was like a dream or something like that. And then another woman was like talking to Denji, talking about the city mouse or country mouse or like all of that. Like, what the hell? I'm guessing that's to set us on the path towards next season, but I wish it could have been like a little bit more clear, a little bit more straightforward as to what we should be looking forward to. You know what I mean? Because like I'm not reading, so whatever I see is what I see in the anime and everything. So, but yeah, it was a good final episode. We got everything wrapped up with what's her name, Sawatari, the girl who had stole Ghost and had the snake devil, and then the Katana devil. He ended up getting whooped by Denji. That was pretty cool to see. Like Denji's basically his training and everything coming into play. Basically learning from the other the devil hunter. So that was pretty cool to see how it was like you believe my words, but you shouldn't believe nothing I say. I'm a hunter, you know what I mean? So when he busted out the chainsaw on his leg, which is pretty cool. So I guess he can do arms, his head, and both his legs, I'm guessing. That's pretty cool. So that's basically, everything, man. So to see him, I'm guessing, use more of that kind of stuff going into the next season. You got to see Power go crazy for a little bit against the zombies on the one floor. The way it wrapped up with Aki and Sawatari, that was pretty crazy. Him getting the cigarette from basically from Maina, leaving it with Ghost and ended up giving it to him. That was really, really cool to see. Just kind of they intertwined that with like a flashback. So that was really cool. But I thought, it'd be more of a fight and everything, but that was not the case. As we saw, it wasn't the case because he knew the keys and whatnot to being able to defeat the Ghost Devil. So that's what he did. He knew because it may not basically explain like what the abilities and everything were. So he was able to take it out. That was really all we saw. A good amount of the fight with Denji and the Katana Devil. That was amazing. Just seeing from how it took place from the building to the rooftops to the train, all the way to ended up in the yard and everything. The train yard after he got beaten, and to see Denji and Aki kind of bond and having that moment, kicking him in his nuts and everything. Revenge for Maina. It was pretty cool. It was a solid way to end the season because I feel it wrapped up a good amount of the stuff that we had seen in this season. From the beginning leading up to this point, and also pushing it forward, talking about with Makima, and I'm guessing that's the president or one of the top guys of the Devil Hunters. And she was explaining to him the situation and everything that took place, and how they were able to get parts of the Gun Devil, and now they were able to put it together, and now we're starting to move towards the main body. So I'm guessing we will see him. I didn't think we'd see him this season, but I'm guessing we will see him next season. And it was crazy finding out Sawatari, she was part of the devil hunting organization, but she kind of went rogue and did her own thing. So I wonder if there are more people who did that and whatnot. It's, more questions that I have for, just what all is going on with it and everything. What all are we pushing towards? Is the Gun Devil, is that going to be the final battle? Or is there something even bigger than him that we don't know about yet? Or, more questions than answers. But it did do a good job of wrapping things up from this season and pushing the pace, pushing the pace forward for the next season. So I cannot wait until next season. No idea when it comes out. Hopefully it comes out late next year, early 2024. I'm assuming that because you got the animation and how long it takes to do all of that and whatnot. I wanted quality, so we can kind of let hopefully at the end of next year, beginning of 24. That's my hope for it. Hopefully the animation quality will still be as good as this and everything, but I need it to come out ASAP because like everybody was talking about, they were hyping it up like it's gonna be great. It was definitely great. It lived up to it. I enjoyed it watching from week to week with you all, man. I will definitely do season 2 when season 2 comes out. But I appreciate you all for tuning in to the Chainsaw Man series for season 1, man. And I will definitely make sure whenever season 2 comes out, the trailer reactions, definitely get trailer reactions for that. And we will be doing reactions for season 2, man. So I appreciate you all. If you all made it this far to the end of the video, I appreciate you all for tuning in to all the Chainsaw Man reactions for the season. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. You want to see more content that we drop, hit that subscribe button. Episode reactions, trailer reactions, comedy reactions, game playthroughs, or just kind of, some content from us just gaming or whatnot. We have some more stuff that we're cooking up to bring up to the channel and everything, man. Hit the notification bell if you want to get notified every time we drop a new video. Appreciate you all again, like I said, for tuning in for the Chainsaw Man Season 1 reactions, and I will see y'all in Season 2.